Hi everyone, this is my Miro whiteboard lesson activity. My subject is literary terminology for middle school English students. So I started by creating two frames by going down to the left-hand corner and clicking frames. I knew that I wanted to have a section for my lesson materials and then a section for my activity. So I created two frames and then renamed them to Introduction and Activities. So here in my Introduction tab, I have the name of our assignment, which is literary terminology, and then I've broken up the videos into two sections. So section 1 of the activity, students will watch these two videos first, and I uploaded them by just going to this left-hand toolbar and clicking Upload. From here, I uploaded via a URL, as all three of my videos are from YouTube, but if you have a video on your own computer saved, you can upload that from My Device or saved files. So for section 1 of the activity, students are doing term matching. I added in all my terms and all of my definitions just from sticky notes over here on the left-hand sidebar. And you can change the color, which is very helpful, especially for this activity, as the darker pink shades are my students' terms, and then the lighter pink are their definitions. Something important for dragging and dropping to note is that for all of my materials that I don't want students to move, I have locked them. So my text, these sticky notes that the students will be dragging these two, I don't want them to move at all. So here I'm able to just click on genre and drop it down to where I want it to go. Additionally, when you right click, always make sure anything you want to stay on top, you click bring to front, which is how I make sure that these sticky notes show up on top and don't get hidden behind their definitions. Now for section 2, students will go back and watch the next video, and when they're ready, they will complete story plot timeline. I made my little timeline diagram just with some arrow tools, and again, this is all locked so that students can't move it, and they just simply drag the definition to the appropriate numbered point. Again, making sure that everything is brought to the front so nothing is hidden or not where it's supposed to be. So then finally I have genre review. Here students will again just drag and drop a genre to the appropriate title. These are all stories that we have already read, so this is calling on information that they should already know. And all of these shapes are just added in via the shape tool right here, just so that my students won't get confused about what sticky notes go with what. And that is my whiteboard. Thank you.